all my animals are natural. You're probably going to get the last of my food, aren't you? Here you go.
Hey, you want some?
Here. All the natural animals are from nature. Now, I don't know what nature's called. Jesus Christ, Matt. Okay. Here. You gotta eat. You gotta eat. Did you just come out here to see me? Are you full? Good enough. See you later. See you later. Yeah. You're full, aren't you? And you know how to work this scene. You know how to work this scene.
How did you get the fluorescent green bait?
I think you got somebody left a can of paint out around here.
You notice these birds? They look like they've got fluorescent green, fluorescent yellow.
Somebody left the paint out. He's gonna high five. Good boy. Yeah. Yes. Good boy. Hey, good boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yeah. You want more food? He's burnt out on food.
Not yet.
Nope, not yet. That was a dumb thought. Look at your feet. Was you getting a drink in the? Was you getting a drink in that clay water? Yes. Ooh.
I'm getting a bit tired.
No, they're not tired. Well, that's all right. We can. Okay, let's get heading back. Let's head back up that way.
See you later, bud.